welcome to my channel. I am Shannon Glam and I am happy to say that today we will be using the Honey palette. I will show you how you can achieve this look. Without any further ado, please subscribe to my channel. Follow me on my social medias on Instagram, TikTok, and Twitter. I am Shannon_Glam and let's begin. Today I'm going to do my eyeshadow look with this little Colourpop Baby Honey eyeshadow palette. These are the colors that we got here. Super cute. I just got my eyelid ready with a little bit of concealer. The concealer that I use is this baby right here, the L'Oreal Infallible Full Wear. I use 330 Ivory, and then I just patted it down with a little sponge, and that's it. I'm gonna go into my palette. I will go in with Totally Buggin'. So this is Totally Bugging here on the crease, and I'm just gonna bring it up more than usual. Totally Buggin' is really cute. The transitioning color, this is cute. So now I will go in with Oh Behave. I'm gonna go in with Oh Behave. The other option that I had is Stinger, but Oh Behave is like a little bit darker, and I think it'll just show a better on the skin. That looks really good. Usually yellow is like hard to come up on the skin. It kind of just gets lost in the sauce, but it looks good. I like it. I like the pigmentation. I'm going to take my L'Oreal concealer and my Morphe M124 brush. I like this one because it's super flat and thin, so it's good for like doing that cut crease. And we're going to do half a cut crease, okay? So we're not going to go like all the way rainbow. We're going to do the half of the rainbow. Okay, so what I decided to do is add that brown on top of the edges of the outer corner. That way it could show up a little more because I still want that contrast. I don't just want it to be like all yellow here, because I just needed like a little bit of a pop. This is the Buzzkill color. Now I'm going to use this color here, which is Sunburst. And on the entire lid, I'm just going to have that color. So it's going to be pretty sparkly. See what flat brush I can use. I'll use this one. This is the e.l.f. eyeshadow C brush. Now I'm going to take a little bit more of Buzzkill, put it in that corner, blend that baby out. Maybe we could put a little bit of Queen Bee right there too, in the middle. Let's see how that goes. Ooh, right where the two colors meet, a little bit of Queen Bee. Very cute. Now with my Morphe E36, I'm going to take this shade right here, Palooza. And this one, you just like pat it on, put it right in the inner corner. Let me do the other eye and then we'll come back to finish the entire face. So for this look, I just want the eye to pop, and I don't want to add cat eye for this look, but I am going to use this eyeliner. This is the L'Oreal Infallible Matte. I'm going to use it up here. Now I'm going to add this new mascara that I have. It's the Bambi Eye Mascara. It is almond shaped and it allows for like fuller length and more volume, which is why I really like it. And I haven't really felt like that for a drugstore mascara in a very long time. I'm glad I came across this one. Make sure you divide it like in 3 parts. Think of this part as the middle part. This is the inner corner, and then this is the outer corner. You want to make sure you get every single part, or else you're not going to get that volume and that like length that you're looking for. You're just gonna say that every mascara is a piece of crap. You just need to know how to apply it. So just try that technique to see if it works for you. So you see the difference? There's like so much length here, and then obviously nothing here because I haven't placed anything, but I really like it. Even though with this look, I definitely am gonna go with some very long fake eyelashes, but it looks cute. These are the eyelashes of choice, Ardell Wispies. I like these because they're like soft and feathery and they look so cute. They provide me with the volume and the length that I want, but it's not too overly dramatic. Let me cut these because they're definitely not my length. They're just a little longer than I would like, and put them on and we'll come back. So I'm going to use this primer that came in the mail in my Ipsy bag. My pores are like out of control recently, so let's put on this bad boy all over our face. very tacky in the sense that it's like gluish. Now I'm gonna put on my foundation. I'm gonna use my go-to concealer that I've been using recently. It's by L'Oreal, the L'Oreal Infallible. As of lately, I'm only using translucent powder on this area right here underneath the eyes if I actually wear concealer, but like my everyday makeup, I just use foundation. This actual foundation, I use it as a concealer, and then I don't put like foundation around the whole entire face. I just put it in these areas. And then I just blend it out and that's it. I don't use translucent powder every single day underneath the eye area because if you think about it, well, it doesn't allow the makeup to crease, but it like dries out that area because it controls the oils, and this area is the most sensitive part and you always want to keep it hydrated. So why would you add powder to basically dehydrate it and take all those oils out that you need there? You know, I heard it from esthetician. I'm like, oh shoot, he has a point there. So I basically just stopped using translucent powder underneath here, and I only do it when I'm gonna do like glam makeup like you're seeing now. But if I do everyday makeup, well, like I said, I use foundation as I would concealer, and yeah, and I don't set it, and it's good to go. I do a video for you guys so you guys can see like what I'm talking about. I'm just gonna like set that makeup using this as well, the Hoola Bronzer. This is more of a glowy look, so we want to look more sun-bathed. Now I'm going to go in with my Bronzer by Morphe. This is in the shade Salubante. Okay, I'm going to use this Ofra blush in the shade All You Need Is Love. I should just go in with the same brush. This brush is the Profusion powder brush. The highlighter I'll use is also Ofra. This is in the shade Rodeo Dry. With the Buzzkill color and the Oh Behave, we're gonna just put those right here with a precision brush that's just a little bit thinner than what we've been using, something like this. The lip liner I'll be using is the True Brown K lip liner by Colourpop Cosmetics. And then this MAC lipstick in the shade Jubilee. Thank you guys so much for tuning in with me during this quarantine crazy time that is everything but normal for us. I'm just doing things that inspire me. One of the things that inspire me are makeup, and it makes me happy. All my creative juices just start flowing, so that's why I brought this look today for you guys. So thank you so much for tuning in with me. Please subscribe to my channel so you can see all my other videos and the ones that are to come. Thank you so much, guys. Bye.